Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest upload.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine. Once again, welcome to the Angels Monetary System with another topic from Oxford Pre-Primary Mathematics A1. Today we will start unit number 2. This unit is about the basic shapes. After this unit, I have to enable you to learn the name of the shapes, recognize them and associate them with real life. Okay, let's start today's lesson. This is circle. This is circle. This one is square. Circle, square. This is rectangle. Circle, square, rectangle. This is triangle. And this one is oval. Let's read the name of these shapes again. This is circle. This is square. This shape is rectangle. This shape is triangle. And this is oval. All these are basic shapes. What are all these? All these are basic shapes. Now you have to open page number 9 from your book. This one page. This page is about the introduction of basic shapes. Let's read the name of the shapes again from your book. This is circle. Same like this shape. And this is square. Where is the square from this shape? This one. And this is triangle, same like this shape. And this is rectangle. And the last one is oval. The last one is oval. Now your work is you have to trace the dotted lines to complete the shapes. You have to trace these shapes with your pencil. Let's start tracing. Okay, we have completed the tracing of these shapes. After this page, you must be able to identify these shapes and tell their names. Let's move on the next one page. The next page is page number 10 and this page is at the cake shop. Here is a small girl at the cake shop and she is holding a sandwich. Do you know the shape of the sandwich? Have you ever eaten the sandwich? Sandwich is of triangular shape. Of which one shape? Of triangular shape, just like this. The small girl name is Maria and Maria likes sandwich. Now your question is circle the triangle shaped objects. You have to find the triangular shaped objects from this page and then circle them. Firstly, Maria is holding a triangular shaped sandwich. You have to circle it. Is this the triangular shape? Yes. Circle it also. Is this? No. Is this? Yes. Is this? Is this? Yes. And is this also? Yes. This one is triangle? No. Then is there any other triangular shape? No. After this page, you must be able to recognize the triangular shaped objects from this page. Tell the name of the shape and also identify from your real life. Okay, next move on the next page. Your next page is about my school. Here is a teacher. This one is a board and here are the students. Now you have to work on this page according to this criteria. Put a tick on all the square shaped objects. Okay, now we have to identify the square shaped objects. Firstly, find from these shapes. Is this square? No. Is this square? Yes. You have to find the square like this. Okay, let's start. Is this a square shape? No. Is this? No. Yes, this is a square shape. Now put a tick on this shape. This is also a square shape. And this frame is also a square. Is this a square? Very good. Yes, put a tick. Here is also. This is also a square shape, and this one is also. After this page, you must be able to identify the square shaped objects from this page and from your real life also. Now let's move on the next page. Okay, let's do work on this one page. Here are the fruits and you have to color them. Also tell the name of the fruits and their shape also. Your criteria is color the fruits which are circular in shape purple. Is this a circular shape fruit? Yes, this one is orange and orange is a circle shape. This one is also circle. You have to color it with purple color pencil. Okay, let's start coloring. We have colored it with purple color pencil and this one with yellow color pencil. Okay, this is oval shape and you have to color in these oval shaped fruits with yellow color pencil. This is circle shaped fruit and you have to color these circular shaped fruits with purple color pencil. After this page, you must be able to identify the oval and circular shaped objects and the fruits also. Your next page is a vegetable garden. Your next page is a vegetable garden. There are many vegetables in the garden. Okay, let's read the name of the vegetables. Okay, let me to tell you the name of the vegetables. This vegetable's name is carrot. This is carrot and this is eggplant. Carrot, eggplant, and this is cabbage. This is cabbage. Now your criteria is color the triangular shaped vegetables orange. Okay. Now we have to find the triangular shaped vegetables from this page. Is this a triangular shaped vegetable? Yes, very good. Now we have to color it with orange color pencil. Like this. There are two other triangular shaped vegetables also. These are also carrots. Yes, these are also carrots and you have to color them with the orange color pencil. The next point is circle the rectangular shaped vegetables. Now we have to find the rectangle shaped vegetables, then we will circle them. Is this a rectangle shaped vegetable? No. Is this? Yes, this is rectangle shaped vegetable and you have to circle it. This is also a rectangle shaped vegetable. You have to circle it. And this one is also. Okay, we have completed this page. After this page, you must be able to identify the shapes of the vegetables. Let's move on the next page. Your next page is objects and shapes. Do you know? We have some common objects which are just like these shapes. Okay, on this page, we will check the common objects. Then we have to match them with the match shapes. Do you know this one? This is cake. This is cake. And what is the shape of the cake? It is just like a circle. Now you have to find the circle from this line. Is this a circle? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one is a circle. You have to match the cake with the circle like this. This is a biscuit. This is a biscuit. Have you ever eaten biscuit? And do you know the shape of the biscuit? It is a square shaped biscuit. You have to find the square from this and then we will match. This is square. You have to match it with this. And what is this? This is sandwich. Do you like to eat sandwich? Then what is the shape of the sandwich? Sandwich is of triangular shape, and here is also a triangle. You have to match it. What is this? This is a board, and you have to match it with the same shape. What is the shape of this? This is rectangle, and here is also a rectangle like this. This is papaya, and papaya is of oval shape, and this shape is also oval. Match it with oval shape. After this page, you must be able to recognize the shape of common objects from your surrounding. Let's move on the next page. My home. This page is about my home. Okay, let's do the work on this one page. Your question is color the shapes. This is circle shape, and you have to find the circle shape objects from this page and color them with the orange color pencil. Where is the circle shape? This one? Yes, this is ball. Do you play with the ball? Ball is of circle shape. You have to color it with orange color pencil. The next one is gray. The next one is red. Triangular shaped objects, red. And the square shape objects, yellow. And the oval shape objects, blue. You have to color the pics on this page according to this criteria. Okay, now let's move on the next page. Okay, let's do work on page number 16. This page is about heart-shaped objects. Do you remember the heart shape? This is heart shape. This is heart shape. Okay, now you have to color heart shapes with yellow color pencil. Firstly, you will find the heart shape, then you will color it. Is this a heart shape? No. Is this? Yes, you have to color with the yellow color pencil. Here are two other heart shape objects also. Then you have to color these with the yellow color pencil. After this page, you will be able to recognize the heart shape from your surrounding. Okay students, it's all about unit number 2. Okay, in this unit we learned the basic shapes, their names, identification and their association with the real life objects. Then here is an activity for you. You have to find at least 2 objects from these basic shapes from your surroundings and tell us in the comments. See you soon with the next topic. Stay blessed, take care and Allah Hafiz.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.